Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to my channel, Matt About Fragrances. So, the fragrance which I'm going to review today is not for the faint-hearted. It's not for the kids, and definitely not for the ladies. The fragrance which I'm going to review today is Valor by Abraj. This is the packing. It is EDP 100 ml made in UAE. This is how the bottle stands in the packing. This is the bottle. A blue color heavy bottle with a golden color cap and a metal cap. It's a heavy cap. You can see the juice right inside it. So as you can see, and you can make it out from the bottle, that it is a clone of Interlude Man by Amouage, which is a premium fragrance. This is very close to Interlude Man by Amouage. The fragrance around 90% similar to Interlude by Amouage. It sprays good, a wide atomizer with a decent amount of juice. Let's talk about the notes first, and then I will give you a review because it's very strong. I just cannot smell it directly from my arm. I have to take some time off from this one. So the top notes are oregano, pepper and bergamot. The middle notes incense, amber, labdanum, some opoponax. The base notes are leather, agarwood or oud, sandalwood and patchouli. Patchouli is not very prominent here, it's at the back. Okay, so how it opens? It opens with a zesty bergamot with some aromatic oregano and some pimento berry oil. So you can Google what's pimento berry oil. It's kind of pepper, kind of fruit or a spice. Okay. So it goes towards from the top notes. Although you will feel the smokiness all together, all through the journey of this perfume, right from the beginning till the end. So after a very a harsh, a fresh, not citrusy fresh, but the freshiness of that smoky fresh with bergamot into that opening. Okay, so it moves towards some smoky incense, amber, cistus and myrrh notes. Okay, so over here is where I just sprayed, and over here I sprayed almost an hour ago. Here you can feel the base notes, which are strong, calming, not sweet at all. So that is the reason why I was saying it's not for the faint-hearted, and it's not for a younger generation. It is for people, for men above 35 years of age, because this is a very mature fragrance. So the dry down is of agarwood, the oud, that smoky incense woody fragrance with some patchouli at the back, some sandalwood. Okay, so the sandalwood, although it's it gives a sweet fragrance, a musky kind of fragrance. But here the sandalwood is also harsh. It's a strong sandalwood with some smoky feel to it. It is there, the sandalwood is there, but it's very strong. It's a smoky sandalwood, and the leather is a bit prominent. You need to feel that leather. It's not that a very soft leather, it's a harsh leather. Whew. This is a pure winter and a bit of fall fragrance. Can be used in the evenings, not summer evenings, but in the evenings of spring and fall evenings it can be used. It's a very strong fragrance. It might give you headache if you spray more than 2 to 3 sprays. You have to take care of the people around you when you're spraying this one, because this, in the closed environments like an office, it can give headache to people. Not all people will like this. This is a casual kind of fragrance. You can wear it maybe for some parties where a lot of people are there, and especially when you want to make your presence felt across the room, because this fragrance is very loud. It's very loud, it's very harsh, it's a strong fragrance, it's a smoky fragrance. Okay, so longevity is more than 10 to 12 hours on the skin. On clothes, it can go for more than 24 hours, 1 day, sometimes 2 days even. So you just have to wash your clothes to take it off. The sillage is 6 to 8 meters. It's good, it's heavy sillage. The projection is around 8 to 10 feet for initial 1 to 2 hours, then goes down to like 4 to 5 feet for next 1 hour, and after 4 hours it becomes more of like around 2 to 3 feet fragrance. 6 hours, then it's more of skin scent kind of. So value for money. I bought this for around 150 dirhams in UAE. This is a very hard to find perfume bottle in UAE. Although it is made in UAE, it's not very common to find this one. I believe this is more of an export kind of product, which is exported to the African countries, Middle Eastern countries. You can find it more over there. UAE, if you find it, if you are fond of strong fragrances, strong oud, leather fragrances, you can definitely go for it. But I would suggest personally, please give it a try before buying it. Do not blind buy this fragrance, because this is not for everyone. This is a very strong fragrance. You have to take care of people around you, and just do not smell directly when you spray. Do not smell it directly, it might give you a headache. Wait for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe half an hour to smell it directly on your skin, because this is very strong fragrance. It has that smoky vibe into it. Just take care of that. It is not a blind buy, for sure. It is not a blind buy. So value for money, I would say for me it's 7 to 8.
Hey, that's pretty good.
First thing, of course, it is 150 dirhams, upwards of 150 dirhams you can find. Amouage goes for 7 to 800 dirhams, 1000 dirhams, like that. So don't compare with Amouage. They use much more high quality material into that. But yes, fragrance wise, it's very similar to Amouage. There is one more fragrance from the house of Swiss Arabian, that's by the name of Oud Abyad. That's the white bottle. That is also very similar. A toner less strong than this one, but it can also do the job if you are specifically looking to have a clone of Interlude Man by Amouage, this is very close to it. Second alternative is Oud Abiat by Swiss Arabian. You can definitely check it out. This you might not find at almost all the perfume shops to try, but if you want to see the fragrance, you can try the fragrance. You can try from Swiss Arabian Oud Abiat. That's a white color bottle. But yes, this is an average kind of value for money, I would say, because this is definitely a clone and not all people like it. So value for money for me goes down 7 to 8, which is okay. I'm okay with it. I don't regret buying this one. I just wear it occasionally and it is a good fragrance. You might get compliments, maybe you can try to get compliments. I've never got a compliment for this one because it's very strong. It's a smoky kind of fragrance. Just be aware of that. And otherwise it's a nice presentation, heavy bottle, no problems at all, and it's a unique fragrance. It's not cloying at all. There's no sweetness in this fragrance, although sandalwood is there, but there's no sweetness. So it's up to you. You can try if you are you are fond of Interlude by Amouage. You can definitely try this one. It can do the job for that one. Yeah, so this was my fragrance review for Abraaj Weller, and take care till the time I come back with another fragrance review. Take care. Goodbye.